In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of adding your terms and conditions to a contract with your client. This is a crucial step in protecting not only yourself but also your client. Your terms and conditions serve as the foundation of your business and should be treated as the Bible of your operations. While we provide movers with standard terms and conditions, we recommend that you also have your own terms and conditions that run alongside your insurance policy. If your insurer has provided you with terms and conditions, it's crucial to have them updated by a contract lawyer who can tailor them to align with your business and insurance policies. It's important to note that adjusting the terms yourself can lead to them becoming invalid, so be sure to seek professional assistance. Once your terms and conditions have been updated, make sure to get them agreed upon by your insurer to ensure that they are legally binding. To add your own terms and conditions, simply click on the green Add Terms button. From there, you can paste your terms into the box and click Update to save the changes. By following these steps, you can create a comprehensive contract that protects both you and your client.